2026. Be one of us. Be a citizen senior high school. Your future career starts with the right choice. Take the next step at Sigera Technological Colleges, your partner in achieving academic excellence and professional success, offering competitive degree programs like Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Bachelor of Science in Business Management, major in Marketing Management, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in Food Service Management, Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Computer Hardware Servicing, Bachelor of Engineering Technology, major in Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communication Technology at CTC. You don't just earn a degree, you gain industry-relevant skills, hands-on experience, leadership training, and a strong foundation for your career. Sigera prepared me not just to graduate, but to succeed in the real world. Be part of a college that builds leaders, innovators, and professionals. Enroll now at Sigera Technological Colleges. Visit our campus or connect with us online today by visiting and messaging our official Facebook page. Enrollment is ongoing. Classes starts on first semester of academic year 2026 to 2027 on August 17, 2026. This is the Sigera Technological Colleges. Knowledge, skills, and discipline.
An RPN DZKI 1332 kHz Radyo Ronda Iriga City nakikisumaro sa pagselebrar kan kapistahan ni Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia Asin Divino Rostro ngunyan na taon na 2026. Uya ang mga sponsors kan samuyang Peña Francia Festival 2026 special coverage. Barangay Kagawad, Eugene M. Bagaporo and Family, San Nicolas, Iriga City. Viro Couture by Ronnie Gutierrez Visitacion, owned and managed by Ronnie G. Visitacion, located at Zone 2 La Purisima Street, Goa, Camarines Sur, with contact number 0968-235-8572. Felisa, Timonay and Family, Great Rapids City, State of Michigan, United States of America, and San Nicolas, Iriga City.
Sa pagrukyaw kang kapiyastahan ni Ina, patron kan Kabikolan, Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia, mawat niya mo ang padagos na katuninungan, asin biyaya ng Diyos sa lambang familia. An RPN DZKI Radyo Ronda Iriga, katuwang ang mga minasunod na sponsors, nagpapasalamat sa gigibuhon na live coverage kan traslasyon asin fluvial procession ngunyan na taon 2026. Honorable Leonardo Jun Narito Jr., Municipal Vice Mayor, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Honorable Attorney Shai Fajardo Noble, Board Member, 5th District, Camarines Sur. Punong Barangay, Nilcitas Azul, Bermas and Family, Barangay Luluwasan, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Honorable Princess May Berses Masbanwa and Family, SK Federation President, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Former Municipal Councilor Ruben de los Santos Briones. Police Major Engelbert L. Toraldo, Chief of Police, Baao Municipal Police Station, Police Captain Rolando R. Rigaspi Jr., Chief of Police, Balatan Municipal Police Station, Manghente Beach Resort, Pararaw, Balatan, Camarines Sur, owned and managed by Mrs. Adel Fajardo Manghente and Blisilda Manghente Elevado, Lalas Boutique and Minimart and BJSN Store, Poblacion, Siramag, Balatan, Camarines Sur, Samantas Place Resort and Events Place. Get relaxed, and feel the ocean breeze that you're looking for. With your family open for any types of events, located at Zone 4, Barangay Duran, Balatan, Camarines Sur. For inquiries, message their FB page at Samantha's Place, Cheer Tracking Services, Las Piñas, to any point in the Philippines. Owned and managed by Mr. and Mrs. Jerry Balagat and family. For inquiries or reservation, contact 0906-733-4144. Milestream Water Refilling Station and Milestream Variety Store located in front of Balatan Municipal Police Station. Owned and managed by Mr. Christian Elio, Mr. Gino Lumitao and family, also known as Mandaragat TV. Tunewave Lights and Sounds. Services offered: sounds and lights, square trusses, lead wall, stage roofing, lead dance floor, band equipments, generator, cold sparkler, DJ spinner. Tunewave Lights and Sounds is located at Barangay Santa Cruz Sur, Iriga City. For inquiries, contact 0929-6251-842. Tunewave Lights and Sounds is owned and managed by Mr. Ruben M. No. M. Daily Grocery. Items are very affordable. Your everyday one-stop shop located at Zone 1, Barangay Pararao, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Jello and Josh Water Refilling Station located at Zone 2, Barangay Tapayas, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Owned and managed by Josel Belmonte Ani. Saks Flower Shop, Zone 5, Highway 1, San Miguel, Iriga City, near Yusan, Iriga. Services offered: card surprise, bouquet for birthday, anniversary, money bouquet, wedding, sympathy flowers for funerals or any kind of flowers arrangements, retailer and wholesaler. For inquiries, follow their FB page at Zach's Flower Shop and Ani Store, located at Barangay Tapayas, Balatan, Camarines Sur. Diyos mabalos sa saindo po gabos. Sa liwat na selebrasyon kan kapiestahan ni ina Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia, hangad niya mo an sa indong kaligtasan asin biyaya sa lambang familia. An mensaheng ini hatod sa indo kan MSS Driving School Corporation. Good news sa lahat ng gustong magkaroon ng Student Driver's Permit o Non-Professional Driver's License. Narito na sa Iriga ang MSS Driving School Corporation, located at Highway 1, San Isidro, Iriga City, in front of LTO District Office. MSS Driving School Corporation offers theoretical driving course for student permit and non-professional driver's license. MSS Driving School Corporation is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. At ang kanilang main branch ay matatagpuan sa Lucena City. Meron din silang mga branches sa Pili, Cumaca, Quezon, Alabat, Quezon, Buak, Marinduque, Candelaria, Quezon, Santa Cruz, Marinduque, Torrijos, Marinduque, at San Juan, Batangas. MSS Driving School Corporation is now in Iriga City. Tara na, maging professional drivers. Mag-enroll sa MSS Driving School Corporation. MSS Driving School Corporation is owned and managed by Mr. Joven B. Colina. Just contact 0965-653-3349 or 0915-032-0490. Happy Fiesta, Bicolandia. Viva la Virgen. Viva el Divino Rostro. Ang pinakaenot sa ringkunada. Puon kay do sa gudngunyan. Minaanduyog sa baga namamanwaan. Katuwang para sa kauswagan. Sa mga bareta, patas. Sa impormasyon, public service, enot ka. Malalaoman, katotohuan, an sinasarigan. Inina ang bagong Radyo Ronda. DZKI Iriga Radyo Ronda. Ang maugmang kairiba. Madya na.
RPN Radio Philippines Network, Radyo Ronda, DZKI Iriga, member kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas.
DWIZ 882 at RPN Provincial Stations. Mas pinalakas.
Because of the artificial intelligence. Pati driver, mawawalan ng trabaho. Darating po ang araw, ang mga taxi, wala nang driver yan.
Autonomous.
So
wala nang banggaan.
Wala na.
Wala na rin yung LTFRB at saka LTFRB.
Wala na rin kita yung mga taga...
Kita, malayo pa yata yan. Teka.
Pare, it's around the corner.
Hindi, pero yun,
The AI
maraming
revolution.
nasasagasaan.
Yung AI revolution, halimbawa, yung mga tawag-tawag na BPO tungkol sa mga how to fix things,
Totoo.
wala na yan, AI na yan. Ang mga hindi ma-AI po, karpentero, tubero, electrician, kaya bang gawin ng AI yung...
Akala ko, mayroon ka pang sasabihin na aero yung huli.
Ay!
Hindi, ang AI really is encroaching on a lot of na talaga.
Alam mo yung mga
endeavors,
video ng music?
Oo.
AI na.
AI na.
Hindi, nagkaroon ng issue,
Pati kanta.
Pati kanta.
Hindi, nagkaroon
AI na gumagawa.
nagkaroon ng issue yan. I think in one European country. Pag AI generated yung kanta, out of the airwaves, wala
Paano
yan.
na malalaman?
Oo.
Ang dami na, pare, makikita mo sa YouTube.
Oo, YouTube.
Oo.
Puntahan yung mga AI ang gumagawa.
Meron,
May nagkwento sa akin
yung mga totoong musician.
May
na
nagkwento
live.
sa akin yung totoong musician. Si Lajet Pangan yung doon, in-interview sila. Meron doon siya napakinggang kanta. Amin tong kantang
Oo
ko.
nga.
Pero teka,
AI.
hindi kami ganito kumanta.
Kumanta.
Hindi yung arrangement at tipa ng mga instrument, hindi ganito. Pero magandang sa tenga. Pero sabi nga, kinatakot siya na ganito na ba? Umabot pa sa ganito?
Hindi, pumunta na tayo dun.
Oo.
Ngayon, mabalik lang ako doon sa Kampi.
Kampi.
Yung bumabagsak po ang sales nila. Mabuti na kayo. Bibigyan naman kayo ng DTI ng incentives. Malamang babudgetan na yung babudgetan na yung...
Kayong kampi,
Tinanggal.
wag kayo mag-alala. Kasi
Kakampi nyo naman yung DTI.
every time na meron kayong problema sa ganyan, meron naman kayong incentives. Kung hindi nyo nakukuha sa incentives, may budget kayo. I-reimburse kayo.
Itong bato! Ganda kinantahan niya ang presidente. Dorado. Mag-guess nga sana natin si
Mag-guess nga natin yan.
hanapin ko po ha.
Paano? Sige, maganda yan.
Ano pangalan?
Gwyn
Dorado.
Dorado.
From
Baka
Eastern
taga
Samar.
Taga-Eastern Samar.
Sige, Eastern Samar yan.
Pangalan eh. Oh.
DWIZ 882 Aliw Channel 23. Hanggang bukas po, Karambola.
Okay.
Sa ngalan ni Jonathan de la Cruz, Joel Laksamana, paring Bene Bardone, ako si Conrad Banal. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Ito ang ating sentimental morning.
Ay, ito, totoo na to.
Totoo.
Hindi yan AI.
Hindi.
Yan, AI.
Si Kat Mayormita po sa sentimental morning.
Karambola sa DWIZ, programang sasaluhin ng iba't ibang